name is Larry, Glam Larry, Lawrence. If you're interested in hearing about this wig review, you should subscribe as well. I am a wig girl. I love wigs. I love helmet. Over here on this channel, we call them a helmet because they protect your hair. I am super excited. This is a blunt bob curly unit. Wig came to me in this packaging. Here is the wig. They sent me this pamphlet. It talks about their 30-day return and exchange policy. Make sure you guys try on your wig when you get it and make sure it's just to the specs that you want. Don't cut off the lace, girl. Don't wash it. Don't do none of that. Just make sure she fits. If you like her, keep her. If you don't like her, you can return her. Also, they teach you how to like wash your wig, which is really good if you're a beginner, because you know that can be confusing, okay? It can be daunting to be washing your wig. You don't know what to use. They also just give you some more tips on the back of this pamphlet. They gave me 2 separate colored wig caps. They gave me one that was a little darker, a little lighter. A lot of times they just give you a wig cap and you just gotta make it work, girl. So this is super nice. Let's get into this website. It's super easy to use. Here, I'm gonna show you. The coupons are right there, right in front of your face. You don't have to figure them out. When you scroll down the page, they have different types of units, everything you can pick from. Lace, they've got bob wigs. They just have a different array of styles. I clicked that I want to do a bob wig, so you can see all the bob wig units. They have the pricing easily laid out, the length, the cap size. You could get 200% density. A lot of wig companies, the most you can go up to was 180. Okay, here is the color. You get an elastic band. Comes with 3 combs. So if you're a comb girl, this is perfect for you. For me, I don't really like combs, so I'm actually gonna take this out. And then you have the adjustable straps. So here's the lace. Giving HD lace. It's very thin. The knots are very tiny. You could easily bleach. I don't think you have a difficult time. For the purposes of this video, and I want to show beginners how they can wear these units, I'm actually not going to bleach the knots on this. Put this on and then we're gonna style this thing and see what she looks like curly. So I'm actually going to go in and pluck this hairline. It is kind of pre-plucked and I'm gonna keep my lace on so I can tug on it. And I'm just doing this randomly. This is pretty easy to pluck. This is what we have right now. It looks a lot better. I might go in and do a little more plucking, but it looks a lot better. Take this wig off and I'm actually going to cut the lace. So I'm just use these small scissors and I'm just gonna cut in zigzags along the hairline. Back. Girl, I had to stop and film because my children came home. My husband needed me upstairs. I had to figure out dinner. I had to do bedtime. It was a lot. We have the wig on. I haven't done anything to it. This is what we're looking like on. Don't have any lace glue or lace spray on it yet, but this is what we're looking like. She looks pretty good. She looks pretty good. Just like this, but we want some extra security, so we're going to actually spray her down. The cap construction of this unit is really, really nice. This fits really well to my head. Like I said, I could absolutely do without the glue. So I'm just finger combing this hair just to make sure I'm not getting any shedding. There's no funny business going on with this unit. I'm gonna do some like face framing layers. For the styling, I'm only going to use 1 product. Remember, you don't want to use too much product in the hair. It's recommended not to use any, but I want this style to hold a little bit. I'm actually going to use the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse, girl. I use this in my natural hair and it's fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and wet the hair. Oh yeah, the curl. Ooh. She is definitely passing the flat iron test. That is a good way to see if you've got some good curly hair, is if after you flat iron it, if it like springs back up after it's wet, you got some good hair. Parting space is pretty far back. It's pretty far back. You really want to make sure all the hair is wet. It doesn't have to be soaking wet, because that's what really helps this product really show off the curls. Okay, then we're just gonna scrunch up the ends just to help it curl a little bit. And then what I like to do is while my curly hair is setting, I don't really want my hair to fall in front of my face. I will actually take like a claw clip. I will just put it over where my bang is so that when it dries in this motion. So just a little tip. We're gonna let this air dry for a little bit, okay? And then we're gonna pop back and we're gonna see our final results. Ooh, she's cute. I'm just going to take a little bit of my powder foundation. I'm just gonna lightly put some powder right over this hairline. I'm gonna use the Pro Conceal and Medium Beige, and I'm just gonna put some concealer in my hairline. And y'all, I don't do a straight part. I usually part with my fingers when I'm putting a part in my wig, because then that makes it more realistic. Instead of having a straight part, you kind of have like dips and waves. We are looking like, oh my gosh, y'all. This unit is perfect as is. Colors the curl like a dream. Y'all see that? Oh, and they just like clumped together. This is almost dry. It's kind of a little wet up here. I'm actually gonna take a diffuser. I'm gonna do it on low, and this is also gonna help me just add some volume to the unit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually surprised that I love this, because this is totally not up my alley. This is not something I would usually go for, but I love it. Like, girl, I'm about to wear her out to run errands. Like, girl, I'm gonna start wearing her to work. Like, she's cute. And I love the curls. I just love how they clumped on each other. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then what I love about this wig is it didn't like poof up when I was drying it. She looks so good. Oh my gosh, girl. This is the perfect summer wig, fall wig, transition wig. This is perfect for now, especially with the highlights. Oh, I'm so excited. And if you want this wig, the link is down below. I make commission on it, okay? But you say some money, okay? If you love vlogs, okay, I have some hot mom vlogs. That's the bread and butter of this channel, okay? Or the vlogs, the bread and butter. When I have time, I try to sprinkle in these videos, some fashion videos, because I love to do that kind of stuff. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, because it's free. It's free. It's so free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.